Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of November, I did join a collaboration of ladies, which I will link as well if you're interested. Check them out, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to their channels. There will be a new group of ladies collaborating in December, so be on the lookout for that. Also, there will be another freebie for December, which we'll discuss a little bit more today, but I won't show you until, what, tomorrow? Yeah, I'll show you tomorrow. You'll see it tomorrow. Come back and see it. Okay, so what's on the to-do list today? I need to stuff my PTO. Now, what I'm going to do is clear out my savings challenges. Let me rephrase that. I'm going to grab the savings challenges that I completed already. And then also my monthly from November, the freebie that the collaboration had. Just because I really need to see where I am with my PTO, because I need to come up with a tight budget for the month of December and figure out how much more money I need, because my leave starts on December 22nd, and I want to make sure that I have the funds that I need, and I've got to see exactly where I am. So let's get started with, let's pull out this cash. These are the savings challenges I completed, and we'll put them off to the side. I like to keep them. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to them after December, but yes, I want to make sure I have them for now. So we have this cash here: 20, 30, 35, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So I have $62 in cash here, and that was from the savings challenges that I completed. November. Not all of them, but they were completed through November. Okay, so I'm going to set this off to the side because we're going to grab this money from our November savings challenge, which I'm blown away by how much this is, and you probably will be too, because what I did is I printed it 3 times, and I was going to try to complete it. This last one I'm not going to complete. It actually has an IOU of $1, which I did grab because I don't want to cheat myself on what I've already committed to. So here's my other dollar there, and so I'm not going to complete this one. But I did complete 2 of the other savings challenges, and then so tomorrow we'll start December's, and I did print that one as well a few times, so we'll work on that. Okay, set that off to the side. And for the November savings challenge, I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, $83. And this money is actually just going right into my PTO, and that way I can work on my budget. Like I said, I need to make sure I have the money to actually take the time off. I've already committed to taking the time off, so and there's no way for me to adjust it, because I was thinking, oh, if I could take a week, but I don't have enough time accumulated, and so they said the only thing I can do without losing my job is committing to taking a leave of absence, which is a minimum of 3 weeks. So that's what I decided to do. All right, so in total I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Did I count $157 on this beautiful day? Okay. There was one more envelope that I wanted to empty out to put into my PTO, because that's what I decided I was going to use it for. So we have 157 there. Okay. And then I have an envelope that was dedicated just to me for getting a gift, either for myself or putting it to PTO or whatever I wanted to use it for. And it's 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we're going to add $50 here. So now I have $207, which I will be adding to my PTO fund. And, okay, so far I have $396, and I believe that's accurate. The last time I counted it, it was correct. But we're going to go ahead and add that 207 So plus 207 gives us a total of $903. Okay. Yes. All right. So what I wanted to do was kind of break it up. Originally, when I started this plan, I was making $380 a week. So it was something that I knew that I could live off of. So I'm still going to stick with that $380, and there should be $380 here. And then we want to make sure this envelope has $380, and then this envelope has $380. Let's see here. How are we going to do this? Let's make sure first the envelope that I've got set up here already has $380. Let's start there. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, so this one does have $380. All right, okay, now let's make the second envelope have $380. And then we will move on to our third envelope, and that will determine how much we actually need. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh my gosh. Okay, so week 2. Yes, fully funded. Okay, my heart is pounding right now because I thought this is such a far-fetched idea. And I said, once I commit to it, I know I'm stuck with the choice that I made. So I was like, okay, you gotta figure out where you're getting this money from, and you're gonna have to pinch and save and not spend like you were thinking you were going to be able to. And oh gosh, I'm so glad to see the progress and the savings adding up. So this one, we got a ways to go, it looks like, because most of this is ones. We need to make some of these. Let me grab, I have a couple bigger bills. I'm going to go ahead and change them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let me take 20 and put 20 here. Okay, that helped quite a bit. Let's see, 80. So we should have 143. Okay, but I have another $10 bill here. Let's see if we can get rid of some more of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Okay, so we're going to set this off. Okay. All right. So according to my calculations, this should be $143. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm short somewhere. I am short somewhere. Okay, let's figure this out. Give me 1 second. I don't know if I took too much money or what. 1 second. Okay, I'm not certain what I did. I don't know if I calculated wrong at some point down the line. Either way, I need this envelope to get to $903. I have some cash that I was going to use for my savings challenges, but let me see. I should have 143. Let me see what I have. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, minus 131. All right, so let me grab this $12. I'm going to go ahead and add this $12. It's not going to be shown in a savings challenge, and that's okay with me. I just need to make sure that my goals are being met, and however I reach those goals, I am a-okay with. But let's see here. We said we have 903 here, 380 in the first envelope, 380 in the second envelope, which I did recount off camera, but we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 37, 39, 40, 143. Okay, so 143. Okay, so let's see, minus 380. I have a remaining goal of $237, which I need to, let's see, need 237. Okay, so I need $237 in order to complete my PTO, and I can do it. You want to know my plan? Loose plan, very loose plan. I'm getting a YouTube paycheck in December, so thank you guys so much in advance, a ton. Those of you who have been coming back to see what's going on with this craziness over here, and then also those that have been running my playlist. Truly, truly, truly appreciate you doing that. It's been tough for me, so I'm grateful for any support that I can get, whether it's you know, the YouTube channels or YouTube videos being ran, or whatever the case may be. That's a huge way to, especially in the month of December, see a nice chunk of money going there. I'm not exactly certain how much it will be. I know that I've already met the $100 threshold, so that at least it's going to be $100. So then I'll need to work on the rest of it, which I will continue doing savings challenges. I also am trying to keep my spending to a minimum, so I'll have that money left over to cash stuff. I don't want to completely remove the spending option from my cash stuffings because I still need to live, right? I just have to figure out what I'm going to do in terms of saving the money. The other thing I've been doing is picking up extra shifts. So that has been quite helpful because it's like, you know, just working an extra day or something like that helps me a lot in terms of how much money I'm seeing coming in. So at this point, that's what I'm leaning towards doing, is to get this $237 between the YouTube paycheck, picking up extra shifts, whatever I've got to do in terms of spending. I will reach this goal. God willing, I will get this $237 before December 22nd. That's when my leave starts. I have week 1 and 2 fully funded, so yay! Everybody say yay in the comments because I'm like, I wish that people could feel the way my heart feels right now. It's been such a struggle just to day to day just put one foot in front of the other because of all the circumstances that have been taking place in my home. But I am grateful and I am truly blessed, beyond blessed. And so I just want to thank all of you for coming back. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video tomorrow. Come back tomorrow and see what I've got going on. Also, that new December savings challenge will be linked tomorrow. And feel free to run a playlist. I can't stress that enough, how helpful it's been to have all of the support on YouTube to get me to be able to be paid out from YouTube. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.